Hey everybody, it's me, Scott.
And Sam.
And we're back with another HPR product reaction. And today we're going to be looking at the Rode Wireless Go 2 dual channel wireless system.
Rode, that's a great company.
It is. It is.
Very professional.
Yeah. And this is something I purchased nearly 3 years ago, and it is still essential to my day-to-day functions as a YouTube channel host and development producer, content producer. And I especially bought these because I wanted to be able to film on the go, which usually means with my phone. And this works great with my iPhone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro. So it comes with 2 transmitters, 2 mics, so you can record 2 people at once. There's 1 receiver, there's 3 furries, a carrying case, and essential cords. Now, as you can see here, I have since upgraded to a hard case instead of the one that came with the original product. And maybe I'll do a video of that down the road, but the carrying bag that does come with it is just fine. It works just as well. So why do I like these? Well, it's because it's easy to use and it's essentially plug and play. But most importantly, it just sounds great, which is obviously paramount for what I do as a producer, but they last a long time too. I would say I use these for a few hours at a time and they have never died. I've never had to worry about it. And they, again, sound great. And it also has 40 hours of onboard recording, so you know you're gonna have flawless audio without the worry of all those wireless dropouts, which we've all experienced at some point, or a lot of us have. And while they look kind of bulky, they're actually not intrusive at all. And if you prefer to plug in a lav mic into it, you can. It's really up to you. There is also a Rode app as well that you can download for your phone. And that allows you to access your recordings, configure the transmitters, set up output levels, and more. Here's a screen grab of my phone, and as you can see, it's pretty intuitive, pretty straightforward. And having the mobile app is pretty essential for me when I'm out and about and need a quick setup. While I have used different wireless lavs in the past, this particular system, the Rode Wireless Go 2, it's by far the most reliable system I've used. And I honestly don't see any reason to upgrade from it. So before I wrap this up, I want to give you a quick tip about this product as well. Like I said, I have an iPhone 13 Pro, which means it has a Lightning connection. This is also true for the iPhone 14 as well. Anyway, if you have a Lightning to USB connection wire, which I do, you can use that instead of the analog plug-in, which I bought separately because of the Lightning connection that I need for my phone. And it works great. Long story short, I definitely recommend the Rode Wireless Go 2. The quality is outstanding. All right, that's it for today's HPR product reaction. We will see you on the next one.